You guys, I've got a confession to make. I got a little bit greedy. And when I get greedy, things happen. I get kind of impulsive, which is kind of bad for my pocket, but it's sort of good for you guys in terms of content because I've got something for you. Anyways, before I get to that though, what's going on? How are you doing? I am G from GeeHankVlogs. I hope you are well. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate it. If it's your first time, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for tuning in once more. I hope you guys have checked out some of my other videos on the channel. You're welcome to go back into my videos and just have a look-see and see what else I got going on. But today, this is sort of a follow-up from the video I posted recently where I surprised my wife by taking her car and having a full sound system installed at Sounds Dynamic in Ottery. Now we're hearing rattling noises, it's working. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it down in the description below and I will also link it at the end of this video. But if you watch that video all the way through, you will have noticed that there was no actual demo of the system. I spoke about it, but I didn't actually show you guys what it really sounds like, but I did that kind of intentionally. The original plan was that I was gonna record the wife's reaction, but okay, don't get me wrong, she loves it. She loves it to bits, but she feels it's a bit too much. Me, on the other hand, being the greedy bastard that I am, I thought, you know what, it sounds good, but it could be better. So I went to go and do something this past weekend. But before I show you what I went to go and do, I'm going to give you guys a demo. And in case you were wondering, let's just recap quickly. We've got the full Android head unit over here. There we go, it's full touch screen. It's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, all sorts of dope functionality. In the doors, we've got a set of Rockford Prime 6.5-inch splits. So the woofer's over there. We've got the tweeter in the OEM mount by the side pillow over here. We do have full sound deadening in the front doors. And in the back doors, we've got the OEM Nissan speakers. I think they're 6-inch or 6.5-inch as well, coaxials. They're not bad. And out there in the back, in fact, let me show you guys. Give me a second. Let's go. So, un momento, por favor. So out here in the back, we've got an Infinity 12-inch in a off-the-shelf box. Nothing special. It's a ported box. It's a pretty fat port actually. My entire fist and arm can fit in there. Wow. This box sounds good. It sounds decent. The sub is playing well, but as Anis explained to me, there are a couple of missing frequencies in the whole musical range that it's just not getting to. So I found a nifty way to actually solve this problem. Underneath here, we've got the Infinity 4-channel reference series amp. I'm not even sure what the power output is, but it is a flippin' awesome amp. Don't mind that. So it's at this point in the edit where I actually realized that the entire demo that I went to go and record didn't actually record on the GoPro. Mind blown. So I spoke all about the system and the various frequencies in the spectrum, in the musical spectrum that was missing, and all sorts of things, but I didn't record any of it. I am so sorry, and I'm not going to go out there and go and do it again because that thing gets pretty damn loud and I have some real car and ass neighbors in the area, so no, it's not going to happen. Anyways, I did catch one clip though. There's one clip that gives you some sort of snippet of what the system sounds like, so I'm sorry. If you really want the demo, if you really want to hear what it sounds like, let me know in the comments below and I will actually go out to like the beachfront or something and go and shoot another video for you guys and actually turn it all the way up. But yeah, let's get back to it. One more. One of my favorite songs. I love it. I love it. Anyways, before my neighbors start coming outside and complaining and writing angry messages on the neighborhood WhatsApp group, I will stop that. But anyways, hopefully that gives you guys an idea of what it does actually sound like. And let me go and grab what I got, and I will show you guys in just a second. Guys, what we're looking at right here is a JL Audio 15-inch sub. Yes, man, this is my spur of the moment decision that I went to go and make. And this is what's going to be going into the juke. So the 12-inch, awesome and everything. Wife is more than happy with it. Me, on the other hand, being the greedy bastard that I am, I was like, I want more. This is more. This is exactly what I need. And the good news is that I've already spoken to Sounds Dynamic about it, and they might just have a spec bolt enclosure already waiting for me. So I'll take you guys along for that drive when I go through again, and we might just be installing this bad boy into the juke in this week and seeing what it sounds like. So fingers crossed that happens. But for now, this is just a bit of an update video on the whole bold saga of the juke. I actually have something else lined up for the car as well that my wife also does not know about. This is kind of turning into just a spur of the moment spontaneous bold series. I didn't plan for it to be that way, I didn't mean for it to be that way, but it's just kind of happening. Things are happening. So and I'll be taking you guys along with the ride. There's some pretty cool stuff that I've got lined up. Anyways, if you like this video, please give that thumbs up, click that like. If you would like to see some more content from me, please click that subscribe button. It literally costs you nothing but like 2 seconds of your life. So please do that, please, to help support a homie. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, have an awesome week, guys. Stay tuned for more content from me. Peace.